The Manipur government has identified 5,457 illegal immigrants in Kamjong District, Manipur as of May 7, 2024. Further, the biometric data for 5,173 of these immigrants has been collected and deportation procedures are currently in progress. It is to be mentioned here that the state government has been providing humanitarian aid to all detected illegal immigrants. Despite the severity of the situation, it is being handled with extreme care. Earlier this month, the first phase of deportation of illegal immigrants from Myanmar was completed on May 2, with 38 immigrants exited India via Moreh. Additionally, one Indian national was returned from Myanmar during the handover ceremony. The state government is persistently identifying illegal immigrants and recording their biometric data to ensure the security of the nation's borders and the country. Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh issued a warning on April 29, highlighting the alarming proliferation of 996 new villages attributed to illegal immigration. In a post on the microblogging site X, Singh highlighted the severe threat posed by this phenomenon to both indigenous communities and national security. Singh's post addressed a pressing issue that has been plaguing Manipur and indeed the nation at large for years. Since 2006, there has been a surge in the establishment of new villages across Manipur, largely fueled by an unchecked influx of illegal immigrants from neighboring Myanmar. This influx has not only altered the demographic landscape but has also resulted in the rampant destruction of forest cover, primarily to make way for settlements and illicit activities such as poppy plantations.